Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you a quick tutorial on how to install ETA3 and set up the terminal. First, right-click on the installer and run as administrator. Select I accept the agreement and click Next. Then click Install. Wait for the process to complete. Click Finish. The program is now successfully installed. When opening the program for the first time, right-click and select Run as Administrator. A wizard will appear when you open the program for the first time. Select This is Server PC if it is the server PC which multiple client PCs will connect. Select This is Client PC if it is a client PC that will connect to the server PC. For now, we will demonstrate how to set up the server PC first. If your PC does not have MySQL Server or database installed, fill in the MySQL connection details and click Install and Create MySQL Database. Select I accept the agreement and click Next. Click Install. Once the progress is complete, click Finish. Now wait for the system to create the database. Click OK and click Next. Now you're ready to log in. The default user ID and password are both admin. Fill in the company name that will be used in the report later. Click Next. Now, you need to add the terminal device to the system. Click Add. If your device is connected to the network, select Scan Network Device. If your device is not connected to the network, select Activate Device. For now, we will demonstrate how to use Scan Network Device. Key in your device IP range. Tick Deep Scan to scan detailed info such as serial number. Now, wait for the process to complete. Select the device and click Activate. Key in the device info. Make sure the serial number and the model selection are correct. Once finished, click Activate. If you have more than one device, you can continue to click Activate. Click Cancel and Finish. Now we will demonstrate how to use Activate Device. Select Activate Device. Key in the device info. Select your device model. Once finished, click Activate Now. If you have more than one device, you can continue to click Add. Now click Finish. When enter the system for the first time, you will be prompted with Auto Backup Database screen. You can select the day, time, and destination path of your backup. Click Save. Now the installation is finished.